Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Gillespie.
I'm Dr. Brad Gillespie. We practice together in Vancouver, Washington.
It's a lot of fun.
We love it. Dr. Greg was able to get one of the first SonicFill hand pieces to come in, and he told me about it, and I think he happened to not be working that next day. So lo and behold, it ended up on my side of the office, and he came looking for it later on, and I told him he'd have to wait until I was done because I started on the first one and was amazed at how good it was, and I wasn't about to let him use it as long as I had some restorative work to do.
I was doing a little more, the consistency threw me for a little bit at the beginning, but as soon as I did a couple more, I started going over to his side and grabbing it more and more often to the point that I wasn't sharing anymore. This was mine. I got it.
He kept trying to say, hey, they sent this to me to use, and I'm like, hey, you snooze, you lose, first come, first serve here. So
we bought another one. We couldn't share anymore.